Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Update's probably not the right word. In fact, this should be a pretty quick video because confirmation has continued to play out. Confirmation of what? Well, basically what I've talked about in past videos, which is the price is very, very clearly now within a channel. And I say very clearly because, you know, the past couple of days you have that much more data. And with all that data, you can see that the price, as I've just drawn up, is still very clearly within the channel. So from a big picture type viewpoint, not a whole lot I can say. Now, if you're a day trader, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, then sure, this area in here is kind of a nice little flipper's paradise where you can just go back and forth, back and forth. But as far as more so just the grand scheme of things viewpoint, not much else can be said until something happens. And what do I mean by something happens? How do I define that? Well, that would either be a breakout to the upside of the pattern or a breakdown to the downside of the pattern. But until one of those things happens, then one word can simply, summarize this, and that is just consolidation. So as long as the price is below these two lines, then, if you want to sound smart with the friends, with the ladies, if you're a lady, with the fellas, just let them know that AMRN is still consolidating, and they will be impressed. I promise you that. So as far as that, though, nothing else I can really say, and besides we'll see what happens with it. The final dynamic, though, I did want to point out is check out the final 30 minutes. Not quite sure what was going on, but there was a big old amount of volume, and then the price barely budged. So I don't know if somebody's getting loaded up or something. That's pure speculation on my end. But the point here is that there is pretty crazy amount of volume and then very little price action with it. So we'll see if that means anything or not going forward. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.